Welcome to this video lesson where I will show you how to use the Pip Calculator for the Crash 300 index. The link of this Pip Calculator will be below in the description, and also you will have other details like PDF for the download with all the details about synthetic indices and also the contract size, the volume and the Pip value. On the right side, you have a MetaTrader 5 trading platform with the Crash 300 index, so you can see how the price changed, and also I will open two orders, one sell and one buy order, so you can see how to use in trading this Pip calculator for the Crash 300 index. I will show you first what the Pip calculator is and what are these variables and also the fields, so you can understand how to use it. Later on I will show you in the two examples with different values how the Pip calculator works. So on the top you have a Pip value in US dollar. When you click calculate button below, you get the value here. Then you have a symbol which is a drop down menu where you can select any of these synthetic indices, and for this example I will use Crash 300 index. Then you have a volume which is a lot size, and I have set this to 1. Later on I will change to some other value so you can see how this affects on the stop loss and the take profit values. Below that you have a contract size which is set to 1. This value is predefined by the broker. If you do not have this value for specific symbol, you need to contact your broker support and ask them to give you what is the contract size for specific symbol. Below that you have a point value which is defined by 0.001 in this case with 3 decimal points. This means that the price on the chart has 3 decimal points, and the last decimal point, when it's changed by 0.001, this means a change by 1 pip. So the 1 pip is equal to 0.001. When you click calculate, you get here the value for 1 pip. So in this case, for the Crash 300 index, the Pip is equal to $0 because we have 2 decimal points and the Pip is on the 3rd decimal point. Then below that you have the entry price, stop loss and the take profit fields. If you enter these fields here, for example from the chart, you will get a stop loss difference and the take profit difference, which is the price difference between the entry price and the stop loss and the entry price and the take profit. Now I will show you one example with specific price values I will take from the chart. So the entry price would be the same as it is current market price, and we put here a stop loss which is just above these highs and put a take profit below that. So we are expecting that the price will drop in value and reach this profit target. If it goes against us, it will reach a stop loss. Let's put these values here so we can calculate how much would be the stop loss and take profit. 2828.544 and stop loss would be 2881.384 with the take profit 2698.586. Click calculate. We get that the stop loss difference in the price will be 52.84. When you copy this value here in the point value, click calculate and you will get how much the stop loss would be in US dollars. Same case it is for take profit. You would get 129.96 of profit. Let's put these values here in the new order. Let's Crash 300, change the volume that will be equal to 1 in this case, copy stop loss and copy take profit in these fields and open sell order because we are expecting that the price will drop down in value. Here it is. We have now a new open price which is 2830.993. Click calculate. Now we get that the price difference between the entry price and the stop loss is 50.391. Copy this paste here and we get that the stop loss would be equal to $50.39. Now we can check that on the trading platform. Delete these horizontal lines so we can see stop loss and take profit. Hover your mouse over this line and you will get that the stop loss is equal to minus $50.39. It is the same value we got here in the Pip calculator. So you can see also for the take profit we can do the same and check the value for the take profit, 132.41. It is the same value from the Pip calculator. Before opening an order, we have calculated the stop loss and the take profit and see is it okay for us to have this stop loss. If it is okay, we open an order. Now you can see how to use Crash 300 Index Pip calculator to calculate the value of a Pip and also stop loss take profit before opening an order. This helps you to define the risk on each trade before opening an order. This way you can have a proper risk management before opening an order. But for example, let's say that this stop loss is small. You would like to get this stop loss close to, for example, 100. This means that we would need to multiply the volume by 2 times. Let's do that. Let's close this order and open a new order at the same current market price. Stop loss now we can put, for example, below this low, and we are expecting that the price will go up and reach this value. Now let's put the values here inside the trading platform, inside the Pip calculator from the trading platform, and put stop loss to 2789.985 and the take profit would be 2978.496. 496. Click calculate and we get the new value for the stop loss. Copy this one here, click calculate. We get the value for 42.84. So if you would like to change this stop loss to any other value with this price, you need to change the volume. So to get to 100 we need to double this one, and let's put here volume is equal to 2. It is 85.69. I will show you a Pip value formula so you can understand why we are changing the volume. Here it is. The Pip value is equal to point value multiplied by the volume and the contract. Contract size is always the same. You can see the column here. The point value we have defined, and the point value is equal to 0.001, which is 3 decimal point, so this doesn't change also. The only thing that we can change is the volume. So the volume has a minimum volume and also the maximum volume size for specific symbol. In this case, our case is Crash 300, where we have the minimum volume equal to 0.05 and the maximum one is 15. So we can change these values here inside the Pip calculator between those values. So the maximum one is 15, but in our case we would like to get here to the stop loss equal to close to 100. So let's change this value to 2.5. Click calculate. Sorry, we need to put a stop loss again here so we have the correct value. It is 107.11. It is close to 100, so we can open this trade with a volume equal to 2.5. Let's do that on the trading platform. Change the volume here to 2.5, put a stop loss here and the take profit here, and click buy order because we are expecting that the price will go up. Now we have a new entry price which we need to put here, 2837.719. Click calculate and we get a new value for the stop loss. Copy this one here and we get the stop loss 190.34. Let's see, do we have the same values here? Stop loss is equal to, just a minute, 119.34. It is the same value for like this here. Let's take profit, 351.94. 351.94. It is the same value. So you can see with this Pip calculator we have changed the volume size, which is also the lot size, and we have affected how much the stop loss and take profit would be. So in our case we get the same values for the Pip, for the take profit and the stop loss before opening an order. Now we have an open order and we got the same values here. so you can see how you can use this Pip Calculator before opening an order. If you have any questions regarding this Pip Calculator for the Crash 300 index, please leave a comment and I will try to answer your questions with a new video. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading!